Welcome to the assessment video. So this video will be explaining what you can be doing to show what you know about suspense, what you've learned today through the online lesson and also what you have learned in the Class Connect session from today. You have several options when you get to this section of the lesson. You will see this document, and these are just suggestions to you. Basically, what I want you to do is show me what you know about suspense, and you can come up with any way that you like to show me what you know about suspense, but these are some options for you that I wanted to explain a little bit. You can create a Google search story, and you'll be using an online tool to kind of show how you can search different information to find and learn about suspense. There's an example when you click on this link here of what that looks like, but you would be responsible for learning about Google search stories and how that works. Okay, you can create a tutorial for struggling students. You could choose any media that you're comfortable with, whether that's PowerPoint, you can create a YouTube video, you can create a Prezi. And your goal with that would be to teach suspense techniques for writing, but also analyzing and understanding suspense when you're reading to students in 6th through 8th grade. And you're going to give definitions and examples, maybe some video examples similar to how I taught it to you. Okay. You can revise a story idea that you've already started. So when you went through the Prezi, you created some beginning stories of suspense. You can use them, or you can use anything from our lesson today, or any story that you maybe already have been working on. You can share that with me as long as you're sharing with me the suspense, like, right? How does it connect to the plot line? How does it show in the conflict, the climax, the resolution? How is it connecting to the character motivation? Remember, we've talked a lot about how those elements need to connect together. You're going to have a plot line that's fully developed so that you're showing me within this plot line how your suspense, your good news and bad news is going to develop. Okay. You can you can view a movie that is full of suspense and analyze it for its use of suspense and suspense techniques that we've talked about, good news, bad news, etc. So this part says include an SWBST. You may or may not be familiar with that term. That is just a summarization tool. It's somebody wanted but so then. If you're not familiar with it, basically all I'm asking for is I want a summary of the movie. Okay. You can create a brand new believable plot, chock full of suspense of your own. So these two are essentially very similar in the sense that you're going back to something you've already looked at, or you're creating something entirely new. You can create and present a 30-second suspenseful scene dealing with a rather dull school-related issue, turning in homework, losing homework, getting lost, or one of our school-related issues, probably a tech issue, can't turn in an assignment, or can't log into a CC session, or internet is down. So something like that, but you're going to turn it into something very suspenseful. So this one is going to take probably the most amount of time and effort because you're going to be creating a scene, you're going to need characters, and you need people to play in it, but it also could be the most fun and the most interesting, especially if you're interested in this type of topic. And then here's some more down here that are more related to if you were taking some of the ones that are already suggested here, C, E, and F, and making it more of an artistic rendering. If you're an artist, you love to draw, you love to create art of any kind, sculpting, you could create an artistic rendering of suspense, and it could be from the stories that you are looking at here in C, E, and F. You could create a mural, which is really a very large drawing illustrating suspense, and to show me this or to turn this in, I'd like you to take a picture of you with your mural and upload that to our online software. Or you can be a digital artist. Take your idea, so the story idea for C, E, and F, basically you're just taking a story idea that you have and you're going to create a movie poster. This could be digital or hand-drawn. Take a picture or scan of your hand-drawn poster if it's not digital. But imagine when you go up to the movie theaters and you see those big posters on the outside or even on the inside that are showing you the movie and they're getting you enticed or getting you excited. They make you want to come back and watch that movie too. That's what this would be, but you really have to demonstrate your understanding of suspense. It can't just be a drawing of a scary scene, right? You have to show me your understanding of suspense and how it's connecting to the plot line. So you might have multiple images of from the movie on your poster, something to that effect. Okay. So these are some of your options. Again, you're not bound by any of these options. If you come up with a different option that you want to explore, you want to try, just send me a quick email. We can talk about it, make sure it's going to meet the expectations of your assignment. But this is these options here are available to you. If you have any questions, you're struggling with this, you're just not sure what to do on this, you're having a hard time picking one, sorry. Email me, we can talk about it. We can also talk about it in the help sessions this week or after our Class Connect session if you've already gone through this lesson. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, go ahead, get started, have fun with this, but show me, truly the purpose of this is to show me your understanding of suspense. So make sure that you've done that before you turn it in, because that's what I am truly assessing. Take care, everyone.